Donut, donut, round and sweet. Color fun for kids to meet. Count with us from 1 to 10. Sing it once, then sing again. Red donut, shining bright. Tasty, yummy, such a sight. Blue donut, big and round. Spin it fast and touch the ground.
Yellow donut, soft and sweet. Tap your toes and shake your feet.
Green donut,
Come and play.
color learning every day. Donut, donut, round and sweet. Color fun for kids to meet. Count with us from 1 to 10. Sing it once, then sing again. Donut rolling slow. Donuts, donuts in a row. Donuts, donuts jump so high. Donuts, donuts touch the sky. Donuts, donuts spin around. Donuts, donuts fall to the ground. Donuts, donuts shout, it's learning time. It's learning time. Mix, 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 good dough.
Mix, mix, mix the dough.
Round and round, watch it go.
Watch it go.
Sprinkle colors, red to blue. Kids in the kitchen learning too. Donut, donut, yum and bright. Colors shining left and right. Count and sing and dance along. Learning colors with this song.
little duck was red and bright. He danced and twirled in the morning light. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back." And 4 little ducks joined the pack.
A snack's little duck was blue like sky. He flapped his wings and tried to fly. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back." And 3 little ducks came right back.
The one little duck was green and sweet. He waddled off with tiny feet. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back." And 2 little ducks came right back.
One little duck was yellow and bright. He glowed like sunshine, oh what a sight. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back." And 1 little duck came right back. Last little duck was pink and small. He missed his friends and heard her call. Mama duck said, "Quack, come back." And 5 little ducks came waddling back. Red, blue, green, yellow, pink, hooray. Now we've learned our colors today. Quack, 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 let's see 'em pray. Colorful ducks make a happy day. Quack, 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 let's sing and play. Colorful ducks make a happy day. A fun, relating, inspirational rhyme for kids. Every car has a story to tell. Colors make the world so well. Here comes the red car, fast and bright, zooming like a hero with all its might. Red means courage, brave and strong. Be like red and you'll never go wrong. A blue car drives across the sea, calm and kind, just like a breeze. Blue means peace and honest heart. Kindness is the greatest start. A green car rolls through trees and grass, loves nature as it drives past. Green means hope, fresh and new. Every day brings chances for you. Look, the yellow car shines like the sun, smiling and laughing, full of fun. Yellow means happiness, spread it around. Make the world a joyful sound. The orange car brings energy high, like a sunset in the sky. Orange means never give up, go! Try your best and watch yourself grow. Red car, left car.
The black car looks strong and bold, full of secrets yet to be told.
Black means power, wisdom, and grace. Believe in yourself, win every race. Banner libre race, oh, brave and bright, brave and bright. Oh, peace and light, nature's song. Yellow car, smile along.
My teddy bear, my best friend dear, you're always close, you're always near. My teddy bear, my cuddly friend, with you the fun will never end. In the morning when I wake, you are there beside my bed, soft and fluffy, warm and sweet, with a smile and sleepy head. We laugh and jump and dance around. Happiness is what we share. Everywhere I go to play, I take my little teddy bear. My teddy bear, my best friend dear, you're always close, you're always near. My teddy bear, my cuddly friend, with you the fun will never end. When I'm sad, you hug me tight, you chase my lonely tears away. With your paws so soft and warm, you brighten up my cloudy day. We build castles, we play games, running through the house with cheer. Every adventure feels so fun with my lovely teddy bear. My teddy bear, my best friend dear, you're always close, you're always near. My teddy bear, my cuddly friend, with you the fun will never end. In the park or in my room, you stay with me the whole day through. We sing songs and spin around under skies of shiny blue. When the stars shine in the night and dreams begin to fill the air, I fall asleep with happy heart next to my sweet teddy bear. My teddy bear.